G'day folks. Well, I don't normally do a video on Sundays, but a little bit of an emergency with the washing machine. It seems to have leaked everywhere, and I found the problem. The solenoid valve appears to have developed a crack. There's stress marks around there. The white part's stressed plastic, but it's actually coming from where the moulding sprue was cut off. So there's evidently a flaw or a fracture through there, and it was just a very tiny little pinhole leak leaking onto the front plastic panel. So that one can go in the bin, and I've got one from a front loader ready to go in. It's still a 240 volt coil. I've just got to put some terminators on this and connect it up to the existing loom. Try and keep all them up off the pan in case something does take a leak and shorts everything out. But these things are fully grounded, so if anything does leak onto 240 volts, it'll shut the well, the RCD will trip out anyway. So I've got to terminate these wires, join them together, and give it a try. This machine's been pretty good for me for many years. I mean, I can't remember when I got it. Hot water valve, pump and hot water valve was done in 2000. I've had it, I can't remember when I got it. I think it was my grandmother's or something like that. But I've done the pump since then. That new pump's from a evaporative air conditioner actually. It's from a Bribus rooftop air conditioner as a circulation pump. But the impeller's ideal for it. It's a cup shape with no fins or anything to get lint and crap caught up on it. And I've also done the clutch solenoid on it before. The solenoid came out of a Simpson, but I just had to elongate the bolt holes a bit and it bolted straight in. So yes, you can repair old appliances. Don't throw them in the bin like a lot of people do. Most people would have just looked at this and gone, out, it's broken, and thrown it out and bought a new piece of crap. But this thing's a great old machine. It's all metal, or a bit of plastic. But yeah, no, I suppose I better get this thing in and get the wash on and clean my coveralls for this week. There we go, good as new. I just decided to use a couple of single screw terminators. They're pretty good, solid approved items. And there's no screw holes that line up on it, so I've just jammed it in there with some sealant. I'll screw the hose on and just leave it like that. It's a pretty good fit. So, might as well, first we'll connect the water up, see if it leaks, then we'll connect the power up and see if it works. Alright, no leaks, that's good. Put this panel back up. Good. It's quieter than the last one too. The last one used to whistle. Very noisy valve. Got hot and cold. Fairly small though. Being a front loader valve, I bet you it's not designed for such a flow rate. Yeah, not bad. That'll do. Put it back together and it's done. Thanks for watching.